All right, this is the second video explaining the pith ball demo. In the first video, we placed electrons on this pith ball here to make it neutral, and we placed a lot of electrons on this rod here to show that it was negatively charged. Now we're going to work on section 2 here to kind of explain what's going on. So what we'll do is we'll quickly add our 5 electrons there, and add our number of electrons here. Don't draw this on your sheet just yet. So we'll put the same number of electrons in section 2 here as what we had in section 1. All right, so there we go, a neutral pith ball and a negatively charged rod. Now on contact, if you recall from the video and the demonstration done in class, that the pith ball immediately bounces away from the rod, even though we only just lightly touched the pith ball. We didn't hit it like a baseball or anything like that. Something else happened to explain why the pith ball suddenly repelled from the negatively charged rod. Okay, so on contact, which is kind of implied right here by this arrow, that electrons are transferred from the negatively charged object to the neutral object. We have a lot of electrons on the rod here, and what we're going to try and do is even out that charge as much as possible. So what I want you to do on your sheet is basically show the electrons are kind of, put one more on the pith ball here, and grab a few of these electrons and place them so that they're actually following this arrow and moving towards the pith ball. All right. So the only way that we can get a neutral pith ball to suddenly repel from a negatively charged object is if the pith ball gets a charge that is the same as the rod. And the only way that can happen is if electrons are actually physically transferred to the pith ball on contact. Okay, and so we're going to go to the third video in a second and complete this bottom section, which you see right here. Okay, see you in the third video.